Hi you guys, my name is Trenijah. Welcome to my video. So I'm gonna get right into it because I'm so excited. The second video of the year, or the third, I'm not for sure. But for today, we are going to do a skincare video. If you don't know, I am associated with La Mare now. Yes, bougie. I work for them. I'm an SA, and I got some goodies for free, and I also bought some. Y'all, I'm literally obsessed. Obsessed. So if you want to know how these products work, how they're doing on your girl's skin, please watch until the end. I don't know what was going to come out of my mouth, but yeah, watch to the end. I got some goodies, I got some treats. You can keep your winner. I'ma make a better way. Silk, like how can you not like this? I'm gonna put this on, even though like I'm about to do the skincare, it's just gonna help disguise my crazy hair. And I also got this tray. It says La Mare on the box. Y'all, I'm obsessed. And let's open it. I love it. It's so pretty. I love it. So it says La Mare on the tray. And it has like where you put the spatula and the actual products. How can you not like this? It's so cute. And with the gold outline, y'all, I literally have to redo my whole room. And also a little tidbit, this is not my bathroom. This is my cousin's because I wanted to be so bougie and cute. It's for y'all. But look how cute that is. Yes, adorable. Alright, so I would like to say that I'm very mad at myself because I forgot my brush, my facial brush. So you girl gotta do it with her hands. But we're going to start off with the La Mare. Ooh, we're gonna start off with the La Mare cleansing foam. Y'all, this is so good and it's so soft and I love it. I love it so much. I'm also going to have a little voiceover to show you, will tell you what it's for and all of the good properties or whatever. For the application process, I take one hand and wet it, and with the other hand I put the product on. I massage it together until it's foamy and then put it on my face. This is why you only need a little bit. It gently removes excess oil and pollution, and it purifies, and on the website it says mineralize. It's for energizing your skin for a bright, healthy look. I love this because it's so soft and it leaves the skin soft. I don't like how other cleansers leaves the skin like really tight and drying, so I love this, and the smell of it really gives you a therapeutic, you know, spa-like smell. What I did is pat dry with my rag, and I'm gonna just wait until it gets a little bit more dry naturally, and I'm gonna go on with the treatment lotion. So the treatment lotion is basically that, pick it up, think of it as your primer before you put on your makeup. It just helps everything else do what it needs to do. It nourishes, revives, and replenishes the skin. It really helps the skin glow, and it's an essential first step to your skincare routine. That was like the worst application ever. We are on to the next product, and the next product is the Renewal Oil. So the Renewal Oil helps with collagen production and a couple of other things I'm going to tell you right now. We love her. She is a new addition, and we're getting used to oil because we never really used oil before, but yeah. This Renewal Oil helps with collagen in your skin, and you can put it anywhere on your face, nails, hair. It helps it grow. So it's a multi-purpose, girl, which we love. Softens your fine lines and help your skin with a firmer look and gives it a glow
When I say a glow, a glow. So I usually just put it on and pat it into my skin so my skin can really soak it up.
So the next products I have is for the eye area. So I have a sample of the eye lifting serum, which is going to be my first time trying it out. And I have a new product, the eye concentrate, that I'm going to unbox with y'all. I've tried it a couple of times before, but this is like given to me to like really try out. It comes with the eye applicator. Oh, yes. Hold on. And this is how it looks. It's like a little ball with a stick to it, and then the actual the eye concentrate. So you're supposed to put your serums on before your concentrates, and technically this is eye, so they're supposed to go together. So I am going to do the eye serum first. And this also has the drop applicator.
Like I said, I'm kind of new to the eye lifting serum, but it's basically what it says. It lifts your eye. It gives it a firmer look. It rejuvenates it and hydrates it, and it improves the resilience and the elasticity of your eye. So that's always good. With the application of both, I basically just put dots under my eye and I massage it in with the applicator, and then I go back in with my finger to further press in the product.
I'm just loving how my skin feels right now. Now I wiped off the eye serum, and now I'm going to go in until the eye concentrate. And I know a little bit goes a long way with this, so I'm just gonna poop, poop.
And then I go in with the eye concentrate. Now the eye concentrate is for dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles under your eye. And for my people with melanin, they know what I'm talking about, because most of the time we have the little dark circles under our eyes, and that really helps with it. I absolutely love this product. So for my girlies that need a little help under eye, this is definitely the product for you. To take it a step further, I would even put the applicator in the freezer or refrigerator to give that more cooling effect, to really tighten up the pores also. And it just feels so good on the skin.
So we are finally getting to the moisturizers. So I have the starter of the whole La Mer brand, and I also have one of my favorites. So the first moisturizer I'm going to talk about is the Creme De La Mare, the one that started it all. So this one started off when Dr. Max Hooper, who was a scientist, had chemical burns from an accident. There was no other products that could help his skin, so he created the Creme De La Mare, which helps with cell renewer with the process of fermentation that usually is 3 to 4 months. And y'all, when I tell you that this stuff actually works, it helps rebuild your skin, it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps with moisture. Just giving your skin the nutrients, the food that it needs to survive. Not only survive, but look amazing. So this is the Creme De La Mare. This one has a little bit more of a richer consistency. I'm going to take a spatula and I'm going to get a little bit. Oh, it has a hair on it. When did I do that? I'm going to get a little bit of this. And my hair looks crazy. And I'm gonna take it off the spatula. You're supposed to rub it in. This is like literally too much, but this is way too much, because a little bit goes a long way. You're supposed to rub it in until it has a clear consistency, because that is what activates the miracle broth that helps your skin get what it needs.
The Creme De La Mare cream is for more of people who have a drier skin. It really helps with the hydration. It also has the miracle broth in it, like all the other products in La Mer. It's to help your skin rebuild itself, and it also helps fight against UV rays and environmental pollution to help your skin not break out as much and keep it healthy. The cream helps with fine lines, wrinkles, visible redness, and irritation. It gives a lifting look and is anti-aging.
And side note, how can you not love the jar? The jar is amazing. Like, the opal is giving luxury. Yes. All right, so the one that I absolutely love is the Cool Gel cream. And this basically gives you, like, if you put your moisturizer in the refrigerator, it's giving you that cooling sensation, that refreshing sensation. So that's why I love this. This is like a lot, but we're indulging ourselves, so why not? This is oh, it feels so good.
This one is my absolute favorite. This one is more for oily to combination skin. And y'all, I love the cooling sensation. Unlike the other, you don't have to do all the rubbing. You just put a little bit on your finger and press it into your skin. I love it. It's also great to know that all of these products are made with vitamins, kelp, and all natural ingredients.
The very last thing we're going to talk about is what I got for my actual birthday. Side note, I will have a birthday haul closer to my birthday, but this one, yo, I just had to get it. And I really needed like body lotion, because I've just been using any random thing. But this, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. I absolutely love it. Like, how do you not love this? Because you never knew that you needed it, that's why. Because again, I'm being cheap. I'm gonna use it from off here instead of in here, because y'all, this alone is $300. Don't judge me. I love it. So I'm just gonna put it on my arms. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's so rich, so creamy, and y'all, a little bit goes a long way. And it gives like a little sheen. I don't know if you can tell it because of the lighting, but it gives a little sheen. They also have like specific hand creams too, but we're just gonna stick with this one until we get bank, because everything in there costs, but it costs for a reason. Y'all, I'm literally obsessed with this whole collection. I love everything about it. I hope y'all enjoyed this and kind of got like a little, you know, idea of what La Mer is about and how much I love it. I'm literally obsessed with everything. It's just skincare, not need, but luxury that like if you have, you just feel good about yourself. And I love every single product. Of course, I'm gonna love something more than others, and it's gonna be some products that I necessarily go towards others because I don't necessarily need necessarily. But I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, my loves. Mwah.
Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter.